All right, so now let's talk about the content of your promotional emails. Generally, you want to stand out from the crowd. There are hundreds of affiliate marketers out there, if not thousands. And when there's a product launch, sometimes there could be dozens or hundreds of affiliates promoting that same product during the same time. And a lot of them are going to be using the same generic swipe emails that are provided to them by the product creator. So you have to stand out from the crowd, and you also want your subscribers to know that, hey, look, you're not just some marketer that is emailing messages that he just copies and pastes. You know, you have to write your emails from the heart. You want your subscribers to know, like, hey, look, this guy has a personality. He's got a nice message I like, and I'm gonna look forward to his emails every day because he's got something nice to say every day. He's not just sending the generic um, email marketing message that you see every day in your inbox. So that's the first thing I want to mention to you, is that you should write from your heart. Now there are times where I have to copy and paste, and this is where if you want to include the benefits or the features of that product in your email, you may have to um, copy that from the swipe emails or from the sales page. Okay, for example, if you're promoting a software product, um, you could tell your list why you love it and what it could do for the business. But when it comes to listing the technical features of that, you could just go ahead and just copy that. That's fine. They could see that. That's fine. As long as the majority of your email comes from your heart, that's what I recommend to you. Okay. Another tip here is, if you offer bonuses, which I do from time to time for high-paying affiliate products. If you offer bonuses, you have an angle to work from, an angle to talk about the product from. So if you do not have anything nice to say about that product, you could just speak about the bonuses and then talk about the main offer.